Welcome to Legacy Talks at nandito na naman tayo para interviewin ang ating mga segment host to our debut episode. So, andito sa katabi ko ngayon ang isa sa aking mga Beauty Queen co-host, Beauty Queen Roxanne.
Hello everyone, I'm Roxanne Torres Frago, 18 years old. I'm a runway model and a beauty queen.
So, actually marami siyang credential na sabi ko, huwag niya nang sabihin kasi ilang minutes lang. So, ano ba na-expect namin for you as a segment host here at Legacy Talks?
So actually, sa segment po namin, you'll be expecting lots of designers, aspiring and known beauty queens, and also maybe may mga hot topics about designers and event organizers. You'll see it. And more on fashion and beauty po tayo.
Yeah, so fashion showbiz pala to, no? Showbiz, chika, tsaka ang usapan dito, no? So abangan natin yan, no? So, kailan ba namin mapapanood to? Every Wednesday?
Yes po,
Okay.
every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday din, what's the time when ipopost namin dito? Kaya don't forget to follow us. At syempre, plug ko naman yung software ko para they can follow you.
So hello everyone, you can follow me on my social media accounts. Roxanne Torres Frago for Facebook and Roxanne Frago for my Facebook page. TikTok account is Sugar Roxy, and then Instagram is ns.roxy. Follow me.
Yan. Follow natin si Roxy. So, syempre, panoorin nyo rin kami live cast here at Reaction News Daily and of course at our Sockmed accounts here at Legacy Talks. And syempre, every Tuesday and Thursday sa Radyo Bandera 90.3 FM Central Luzon. Mapapakinggan nyo po kami dyan sa inyong mga radyo. So, abangan nyo po kami. See you soon at Legacy Talks.
See you, watch us.